Hi everyone, this is Jesse with Keyboarding Online. In today's video we're going to go over student self-registration. This is where you will be able to create a self-registration link that you can create and send out to your students, which will allow your students to enter their name, their email address, their password, and they can even enter their access code on the screen, which will create their account and register them for your course. So as we see on screen, we're shown 3 current links that we can send out to our students, along with the class and profile that are assigned to that link. And if we had an access schedule assigned to the link, it would be displayed here. So to create a self-registration link, we're going to click on the blue Create Registration link, assign the class to the link, and the grading profile that we assigned to that link. We can also enable a start date and end date for the link, which will close the link after a certain day and it will open the link after a certain day. That way there's no students registering too early or too late for your course. So once we have our information added, these two options are optional. Then we're going to click Save, and we'll see that it is now created. And then we can copy this link and send it out to our students. The screen that they'll see when they click on the link looks exactly like this. They'll enter their first name, their last name, their password, confirm their password, and their email address. The phone number is optional, and if they have their access code, they can enter it here. Doing so will unlock all of the lessons for the students. That about does it for this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to email us or call us at any time. Thank you, and happy typing.